Good morning, I'm Dr. Laudani, your principal. Please pay close attention to these expectations from Seminole County Public Schools and Lawton Childs Middle School.
Hello students, my name is Mrs. Richardson and I'm one of the assistant principals. Today I want to talk to you about breakfast. When you enter the campus at 8:45, you can either A, go to the Growl Grill and eat breakfast, or B, head straight to the courtyard. Once you enter campus, you must stay in the courtyard. You are not permitted to go to the buildings upstairs or downstairs without a pass. If you need more information or you have any questions, please report to the Student Service in Building 4, Room 1. Thank you.
Good morning, Panthers. Mr. Linguist, one of your school administration managers here in the Growl Grill cafeteria. Wanted to talk to you today about the procedures for entering and what we need to do to make sure that we are safe and we get our food on time and you back to class. When you enter into the Growl Grill, please either sit down or go into one of the lines. Okay, there's 4 lines, 1 and 2, and 3 and 4 on the other side. If you are seated, you need to stay in that seat for the remainder of that lunch period. There's no getting up and going outside or coming back in. If you need to use the restroom, please head on down to the restroom, which is located in the back left near the trophy cases. Okay, we want to make sure that we are all being productive and responsible Panthers by picking up our trash. It is your responsibility to pick up your trash, not anyone else's. If we leave trash everywhere and don't pick up after ourselves, we are gonna have to start dismissing by table, okay, until we know how to be responsible here in the Growl Grill. When we're leaving the Growl Grill, we need to go ahead and exit the campus restaurant and go into the courtyard. The courtyard is located around the big tree in the center of campus. We do not need to go into the buildings until the bell rings, and we need to stay behind the yellow lines in the courtyard corridor. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.
Hello, I'm Dr. Taylor, one of your assistant principals here at Childs Middle School. Students should move promptly from one class to another so that they are on time to class. When changing classes, please go directly to the building your next class is in. For example, if your first period is upstairs building 3 and your next class is upstairs building 3, you should remain on the top level of building 3 and not be found in any other building or area. Freeze time is the first 10 minutes and last 10 minutes of each class, and during this time, no students are permitted outside of class. After freeze time, if you need to leave class, ask your teacher and follow their procedures in their classroom.
Hi Panthers, I'm Mrs. McDonald, an assistant principal here at Lawton Childs Middle School. I'm talking to you today about dress code. So make sure if you have a sleeveless shirt that it has a collar on it. So boys, we can't wear cutoff shirts. Girls, if we're wearing sleeveless shirts, again, they have to have a collar, no spaghetti straps or tank tops. Your shorts must be mid-thigh or longer, and your jeans, if they have rips in them, cannot be above mid-thigh if they show skin. Shirts should touch the top of your pants at all times, okay, so no crop tops, save those for the weekend. And then finally, no hats or hoodies are allowed on campus. If you have any questions, you can come to Building 4, the Student Services office, where we keep some extra clothes in case you might need to change, and you can ask us there if you have any questions about dress code.
Good afternoon, everyone. Mr. Linguist again. I am here out on the bus ramp. As you can tell, the bus board is behind me. Let's talk about our procedures for leaving school, okay? When the bell rings, we don't need to stand up in front of the door. We need to be in our seat waiting to hear some announcements from Mr. Linguist or Dr. Laudani. When we hear the bell ring, we walk and we come down to the courtyard. Depending on what your mode of transportation is, that's where you'll go. If you're a bus rider, you come on out here. If you are a car rider, you'll go out to the car ramp. Please, please, please do not congregate around the center of the courtyard. Start heading the way that you need to go home. If you're a walker, you either go out on the car ramp gate or on the bus ramp gate. We want to make sure that everybody is safe so that we can come back to Lawton Childs the next day and learn some more.
Hey Panthers, I'm Dr. Pagnotti, one of your administrators here at Childs Middle School. So happy to start this brand new school year. It's getting off to the right foot. I just want to say, remember Panthers, you are responsible for treating others with respect and treating the school property and the property of others with respect. Be prepared, be respectful, be responsible, and be encouraging of others. Let's have a great year, Panthers.